listen to this overnight sleep meditation if you would like to manifest a man to be hopelessly and permanently obsessed with you. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take you through a living in the end story exercise to get you into your end where he's already permanently addicted and obsessed. And I'm going to share with you the types of affirmations and things that I would practice and put into my end if I want to make someone permanently and hopelessly addicted and obsessed with me. I've done this many times deliberately and on purpose, and this is also something that you can keep going on a long-term basis. You can literally manifest the most wonderful, incredible, delightful love, relationship, commitment, and marriage of your life. This is something that you can have, and it's something that you can keep going. So this is to manifest loyalty, commitment, the first best kind of security, and a passionately forever love story by living in your end, reprogramming your subconscious, and vibrating on the level of your dream, which will make it a reality in your life. Just remember that with repetition, the more that you practice living inside your dream, the more that your dream will become your reality. So listen to this meditation every night as you drift off to sleep or at any other time during the day for 30 to 90 days for fast and lasting results. Before we get started, make sure that you click that like button, subscribe, hit that bell, and click all so that you know every time I'm coming out with a new video. Comment below and let me know what you liked, how this helped you, and what you'd like to see on this channel in the future. If you'd like to learn more about manifesting your specific person, I have new programs, seminars, and lessons coming out every single week in my Manifesting University, where I dive deep and I share with you about my 15-year experience of manifesting and bring it all to you. So that link is going to be in the description below. Take a deep breath and relax. And I'm going to ask you to let it all go. Let go of your circumstances, your stories, your expectations, your ideas. Let all of the water under the bridge fall down into nothing. Clear your mind and detach from whatever it is so that you can let in your dream on the deepest levels and bring it to the forefront of your reality. Everyone can do this. Everyone can manifest their dream, and so can you. Imagine your man coming correct, coming to you with warmth beaming from his heart, warmth and love beaming from his face as he smiles in your direction, his eyes glistening because he's dazzled by you, and seeing you is the highlight of his day. You are the light of his life, and he lights up inside when he's in your presence. When he sees you, you're the only one on his mind and on his heart. He gives you his full attention. There's nowhere else he'd rather be but with you. And when you're with him, there's no doubt he lives and breathes for you. His words and his actions prove it. There is no space for doubt. You feel so much love coming from him. You feel completely loved by everything that he does for you. You're always on his mind, and he thinks of you. He's concerned with your feelings and making sure you're all right. He looks at you with a genuine, gentle smile. He treats you delicately because you're the precious woman of his life. Everything about the way he behaves is always consistently with you in mind. He's always for you. All of his love he saves for you. All of his affection in your direction. He's happy when you're happy. He's sad when you're sad. He cares for you, and he lifts you up and gives you the strength that you need. He gives you powerful words of encouragement and reminds you of the queen goddess that you are. He makes you feel feminine and relaxed, like a woman. He makes you trust him because his love is undeniable, and you feel such comfort just to be near him. He's always happy to jump up and do things that satisfy you. He's generous and he's kind. He takes pleasure in seeing you smile. Waking up with this man every morning is a delight unlike any other. Falling asleep next to him is total bliss. Your bubble love emanates. There's nothing better than this mutual satisfaction between you. Like waking up into a dream come true, but it's real. It's your reality. Imagine the most incredible, pleasant surprises this man orchestrates for you, just because he loves to see you smile. imagine dozens upon dozens of roses delivered to your door, and your husband hugs you, smiles, and tells you you're worth it. Imagine the ring on your finger that he's so carefully procured to represent his deep, one-of-a-kind love and affection only for you. You're the only one ever on his mind. Imagine how glad that you are that you manifested this love, that you chose to never give up, that you trusted that knowing deep inside, that you knew that he loved you, and how you're reminded every time that you look at that ring on your finger. This is the evidence that his heart is undoubtedly yours, that he would do anything for you, that you're first best, and you're the only one for him. This is the love of your life, and it's meant to be. This ring is perfect, just like your love. It means the world, and you remember when he gave it to you. His proposal was epic, carefully thought out, and expertly orchestrated. With tender, loving care and thought. He loves to make your heart happy because his heart is yours. He feels what you feel. He feels your love. He feels your pain. He feels the bliss between you. Lovingly obsessed doesn't cover it. You're one person. You're in sync. He's more than addicted. Oh, so much more. And you laugh because you know that you manifested it, and yet this happy love obsession was obviously meant to be. Words could never be enough to express. This love is real, and you're the perfect complement. You move as one, effortlessly, always in sync. You feel so whole, complete, and secure with this love of your life. Every day is merry, every moment divine. In each moment, he shows you he lives for only you. Every moment you're together is a gift. He gives you the gift of his presence, and he celebrates your smile. Every day is a celebration of your love. It never gets old. The love that you share is endlessly renewed and perfect. You're the center of his world, and he lets you know you're his dream girl, you're his goddess, you're his queen, and he embraces it fully. He's so proud to have won you into his life. And it feels so good deep inside. This love just keeps on giving. He's hopelessly addicted to everything you are. And it's incredibly cute. He has no problem stumbling all over himself for you. He's delighted just to be yours. He's your humble servant, a strong, powerful, masculine man. And he just loves to love you. When it comes to his love addiction for you, he knows no shame. There's no thing he won't do for you. He's permanently glued to you. And he loves it. He thinks you're delicious, forever obsessed. And there's no cure for him but your love. You're his first pick above everything else, above anyone else. There's no one he prefers over you. Two peas in a pod, merrily living life together, having fun together, expanding into infinite love. And each day, you're delighted and surprised. How could it possibly get any better? And it does. Because that is what happens with amazing love, with real love, with meant to be love, the kind of love that he has for you. He's obsessed for a reason. He's addicted for his own good. You're good for him. You're perfect for him. You were designed to be together. And every day is a mutual celebration of this gift that you share in love.